Welcome to our presentation for Cupid's Arrow, an I3 entry. Really, there's just no easy way to meet anybody in Charleston, West Virginia. Until now, we're introducing Cupid's Arrow.
Are you sick of endless swiping with no success? Well, we have exciting news for you.
Coming soon to the greater Charleston area, Cupid's Arrow speed dating and matchmaking services. We're bringing local singles together to meet and form in-person connections without any obligations.
It's time to ditch the dating apps, stop the swiping, and get back to forming organic relationships.
We hope to see you soon.
So what do? Members would meet 2 times a month. The registration each time is a $25 registration fee. It is limited to 50 people, which is 25 potential couples. And we're going to start with the demographic age group of 21 to 35. So Cupid's Arrow, what would a typical night look like? At 6 p.m. at our various facilities, there would be a mix and mingle. At that time, it would be a cash bar, but free appetizers would be provided to focus on and feature the facility where we are meeting. At 7 p.m., there would be 2-minute speed dating. So it would be 2 minutes per couple, and we would line the 25 couples up with a minute to change between couples. So that would be about 75 minutes. Starting at 8:30, there would be dinner specials. So if you met that someone special that night, you would already be able to have your first date. The future expansion for our club, we're looking at a 36 plus demographic age group, non-heterosexual orientation, and an elite club that would probably be $100 for the night to join with a more selective criteria. There's really nothing more exciting than meeting new people, hearing their stories, and being inspired. So the financials for this, if we had $25 per person times 2, which would be the 50 people, so the 25 couples, $1,250. If we rented the facility for $250 and did $400 worth of appetizers, there would be a $600 profit per night divided by the 3 business partners and 4 hours that we would probably put in, so $50 an hour. So it could be financially feasible for us to do this, as well as just offering the opportunity and perhaps even meeting someone ourselves. So about us. Again, we're just trying to help people meet each other in Charleston. Our services would be the mix and mingle, the speed dating, and possibly a first date. Here's our team. Jamie Biro, event planner, Darius Berry, social media expert, and Logan Waddell, accountant.